now I'm gonna get fired on my first day of work. Thank you so much. You don't have to help. You're the only one that's been paying attention to me today. Wait, this necklace is perfect for you. Your beautiful face makes this look fantastic. You've been so kind. Please take this.
Oh no, let me buy that. Please, I insist.
I don't mean to be forward, but you're a really nice person. And I was wondering if you would want to meet outside of the store at 5. It's only 5 minutes from now. You don't have to if you don't want to.
5 minutes? I can do that.
Hey, you dropped your necklace. Hey, I think this is yours. Can I help you put this on?
Let's get out of here.